Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Tiff and I am back with a video for you guys. Today this video is all about this easy, low maintenance, friendly hair. I decided to crochet my hair the other night. As you guys know, I'm a new mom. I really do not have time to do my hair, so I needed to come up with, just some ways of having quick and easy hairstyles. I was wearing wigs on my previous videos and I'm like, okay, I want to, crochet my hair, because if you don't know, the postpartum hair loss edges, that shit is real. It's real. So don't talk about me when y'all see my tutorial. Yes, I have struggle edges, but I'm working on it, okay? So I did this look. This look is, I love it. I should have did this for the summertime. Like, this to me is like such summer friendly hair. But anyway, this is the Freetress Beach Curl hair. So this is the Freetress Freetress Beach Curl hair. It comes 18 inches long. I did not cut it at all. I just took it right out, and this actually comes pre-looped, so that was the good thing. I have like a strand or two left right over here, so it comes pre-looped like this, like that. And I tend to like separate it into like two when I'm doing my hair, just to elongate or have more. I use 3 packs of hair for this tutorial, or for this look, 3 full packs of hair, and I like the way it came out. If you guys want more volume, or you like a lot of hair, then I would probably suggest that you do 4 packs, but 3 packs was good for me, because it's giving me the look that I want. I don't want it too big, but I don't want it too small. And I picked the hair up at my local beauty supply store. It was about $5.99 a pack. So yeah, very simple. So I'm going to get into the tutorial, show you guys how I did this look. What you will need, obviously, is your crochet hair. You're going to need a crochet needle, a pair of scissors, and then you're going to need some whatever edge control you have for your edges, and whatever wrap, mousse, or foaming lotion you have. I use my Motions foam lotion, and I'll show you why in a little bit. I have maybe 4 strands or 4 pieces of hair left. I'm going to probably fill it in just right here in this area. But other than that, yeah, this is my look. This is my nice new hair using the Freetress Beach Curl. This took me all of like 2 hours, and I thank the Lord my baby was asleep the entire time. I literally picked him up from daycare, came home, and started on my hair. So he took a nap, and God blessed me and allowed me to get my hair done. So I was moving quick, fast, and in a hurry. So this is the look. I'm about to show y'all how I did this, so go ahead and keep watching. Alright guys, so the clip of me doing my hair from the beginning and showing you my braid pattern somehow got deleted, but I still have this, so we're just going to get started with this. So basically what I'm showing you is how I am looping the hair in. Essentially, you just take the crochet needle, slide it through your braid, take the hair and pull it out. You're going to twist it around 2 to 3 times, pull the hair through, twist it again at least 1 to 2 times, and then you're going to split those 2 pieces of hair and tighten that. That is going to secure your knot. So we're going to do that again. You're going to take the crochet needle, slide it through your braid, loop your hair, close the latch, pull it through, and then once you pull it through, that open part is where you're going to take and you're going to twist it around 1, 2, or 3 times. You're going to slide that hair through, twist it around again, pull it through, and then you're going to tighten it up. Okay, so majority of my hair is done. We just have a little bit at the front. I'm going to show you guys how I do that. The process is exactly the same. The only difference is that I use thinner pieces of hair because that was going towards the front of my hair. But just to show you guys, this is the length of the hair. So it's, boob length. And in the back, it comes to like mid-back, past like your bra strap area. So again, it's the 18-inch hair. So you get nice length for this type of hair that you have. So now that my hair is complete, what I'm going to do now is just cut a couple layers in and cut off the little straggly pieces at the end. Just going to take my scissors and kind of cut down at a nice little angle. This just to give it a little bit more volume so that it's not just kind of all one length. I'm going to do this throughout my hair, the sides and the back, and just cut off the little straggly pieces that are at the bottom of your hair. Once I have finished cutting my hair, I'm going to take my Motions foaming wrap lotion and I'm going to go ahead and just massage this through my hair or rub it on my hair. This is going to help the little straggly pieces of hair that I cut, the little thin pieces of hair that are kind of like just sticking out. It's going to help those sit and it's going to help me get rid of that excess hair. So as I'm rubbing my fingers through the hair, like the additional hair that would be shedding is coming off a lot easier this way. So I'm just going to do this throughout my whole hair, rub it through, pull off all that excess hair that's kind of shedding and tangling, and that's going to really help detangle it and make it look a lot better. And you already know we're going to take care of these little struggle edges. So I'm using my Got to Be Glued. And I'm going to put that right on my edges. And I'm going to take me a little toothbrush. We're just going to brush those edges down and swoop it so they're not looking all raggedy and toe up. And yeah, we're going to smooth that out and make them edges look good, y'all. Alright, and my look is completed. Your girl is feeling herself. I got me some hair, y'all. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.